Okay, so these are just trigonometry problems. Find the value of x to the nearest degree. Um, for this angle x right here, we've got which sides? Okay, we've got the opposite side. Opposite means directly across from the side that is not making that angle. And remember, this angle is made from this side and that side. That x angle is just the rotation between those two sides. So which is the side that's not making that? The side that's measuring 12. Okay? So that's the opposite side. And then what is this side? It's right next to it. Is it adjacent? No, not the adjacent side because it's the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always across from, opposite the right angle. So we've got the opposite and hypotenuse. And if you remember SOHCAHTOA, so ka toa. By the way, that up top I wrote that badly, but that's an O. SOHCAHTOA. Which one is dealing with the opposite side and the hypotenuse? Opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So we're going to use the sine for this. Okay? We're going to say the sine of x degrees is equal to the opposite side, 12, over the hypotenuse, 15, which we could simplify that, but we don't have to. So if we then want to reverse this process and say we know the ratio, we need to find the angle, then you do the inverse sine of that ratio, and it will give you the angle measure. Make sure that you are in degrees. So when I turn on my calculator, I'm going to hit mode and make sure it's in degrees, especially if you changed batteries or something like that, it'll reset to radians. So then I say second button and sine, inverse sine of 12 divided by 15, close those parentheses, is 53.13, which of course rounds to 53 degrees. That's the answer.